Today we're going to be trying out a cool trick that you can use to make pretty much any beverage into a tasty fizzy drink. Dry ice is solid CO2, which is the same compound that provides the fizz in carbonated beverages, so we're going to try and make our own soda by dissolving this into our drink. Pretty much everything that you need for this project you can find in the typical household, except for maybe the dry ice, but I'll leave a link in the description of a great website to purchase it from that will deliver it straight to your doorstep. What you'll need for this project is a pair of well-insulated winter gloves, a chunk of dry ice, some flavoring to mix into your water, a thick plastic water bottle, and a drinking glass. To begin, let's add some flavor to our water in the drinking glass. Then we can stir it up before we add any dry ice to the mixture. After the flavoring is thoroughly mixed into the water, add some dry ice to the cup and watch it bubble with CO2 to form a thick fog that pours over the edge of the glass and onto the table. At this point, if you wanted to have a drink with a spooky twist for a Halloween party or what have you, you can throw a straw in and drink it as is, but be careful not to suck any of the dry ice up the straw because this can burn the inside of your mouth. Otherwise, just wait until it's completely done sublimating and have your drink then. When it was almost done sublimating, I noticed there was a tiny piece of dry ice left on the surface of the drink that appeared to be floating on its own gas that it was producing. This makes it float around like an air hockey puck and kinda fun to hit with your straw and see it bounce off the edges. Another way to make soda with dry ice is by sealing a tiny piece of it in a container with the beverage. This will allow for more exposure to the CO2 without using a bunch of dry ice in the process. Be careful not to put too much dry ice in one container because if the pressure gets too high, it could turn into a dry ice bomb like the ones we messed around with in a previous video. I only used a piece the size of a fingernail and it was plenty for this 1 liter bottle. After you made sure that all the dry ice is sublimated, you are ready to open it up and drink. If you used an ideal amount of dry ice, it should be a little more fizzy than the soda we made in open air. When you open it up, it even sounds like a real soda and forms bubbles of CO2 on the side of the bottle. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you.